I left my laptop over here, so I came to get it. And I get here, and the person that I had to be daddy for, because he didn't want to be a dad in the beginning, you know, he in the house with his game hooked to the TV I bought. You know what I'm saying? His clothes in here. He just chilling. I got to leave. I live here.
Until we finish talking.
I live here. He's gone. He's gone. You proud of yourself?
Post it on Facebook.
You proud of yourself?
Hey.
It's
Proud
funny?
of myself.
It's funny? Okay. His gang hooked the TV I bought. And then she gives the daughter I've been raising, the daughter I taught how to speak, the daughter I taught how to walk, the daughter I taught how to use the pot. She gave her to him. You know what I'm saying? This shit crazy, man. You said, but you just said that your baby daddy that didn't want to be a father, that you said had all this shit. You said he came to pick up Summer, but his PlayStation hooked to the TV. That's what you saying.
I said he came over yesterday.
And why was he here yesterday?
To come chill with Summer.
You said get Summer. Now it's chill with Summer. You said he came to get Summer yesterday, but his PlayStation hooked to the TV I bought. He back here today at 12 a.m. to pick up Summer. His PlayStation still hooked to the TV. 3 days after you told me I had to leave because you needed to focus on you and your career, and niggas, dudes, you ain't have space for that. You ain't have space for our relationship. The person that's been here through thick and thin, regardless if I stayed home a week because Summer got sick and got me sick and I couldn't go to work and gave you 300 out of the 350 I made because I was sick. Whatever I got, I give, and that's the real. Come on, bro. It ain't about money. It's about loyalty. It's about. Come on, bro. You don't know what it's about. Yo, the dude. Listen, you asked me to have a baby with you, and yeah, cause you got this dude.
I was paying for everything. I'm not gonna
When were you? You were not paying for everything. You had a baby.
It's 1 o'clock.
Okay, you had a baby with a dude while you were homeless and no car. You had the baby.
I was 17.
Okay, you're not 17 now, and he back around with his PlayStation hooked to my TV.
What are you talking about?
Co-parent? You had a parent in the house. What you talking about co-parenting? You just kicked her parent that taught her how. I taught her how to talk. I taught her how to use the pot. I taught her how to walk. And you talking about you had to co-parent with this guy who didn't want to be a parent?
I never said that you couldn't be in her life, but quite frankly, we're not gonna be together. I didn't want to be with you.
You want to be with him. That's why his PlayStation hooked to the TV that I bought.
No.
Why his PlayStation end up here?
I'm not gonna keep repeating myself.
So he came to pick up Summer.
Already squared away.
He came to pick up Summer. That's why his PlayStation hooked to the TV.
He came over yesterday to see Summer. Today,
You said he left his PlayStation.
Yes.
And he came to pick her up 12 o'clock in the morning.
Got here at 11.
Really nice.
Really just me. Really just me.
We keep telling guys, being a step crash dummy is not the way to go. Listen, that stepfather BS is over with, bro. It's over with. If this is not a clear-cut case of why you should not ever even consider being a step crash dummy, bam, that's it right there. Exhibit A. I don't even think anything else needs to be said. Like this is crazy. You have a guy that said, listen, I've been there. I've been there when the guy that you had a baby by told you, listen, I don't want to be the father of this child. You know what I mean? I'm good on that, fam. I would much rather be out in the streets or doing whatever it is that I want to do than you have a guy that's willing to step in and help you and assist you. And it sounded like he was doing most of the work. I'm going to make sure you and your baby good. That man said he stayed home a week with that child and even ended up getting sick when she got sick. And he said, look, I was giving you my money, the money that I made to make sure. Like, what more could you ask for, ma'am? That man up there buying doggone TVs, making sure your daughter good. She couldn't walk, he helped her walk. She couldn't speak, he helped her speak. Like, what? This man is literally going to work and coming back home and making sure y'all straight. And she got the nerve to say, I told you I didn't want to be with you. Boy, if that ain't a slap in the mother-loving face after you had a guy that's, again, accepted you and all your BS with that tacky bonnet on, accepted you and everything else that came along with that with a baby daddy that, ain't hitting on 2 cents or whatever, was willing to step in and say, I got you. No. I got both of y'all. You good over here. I ain't even gonna trip on, the fact that you chose the wrong guy to have a child with. And then what tripped me out is he was considering having, bro, man, red flags all over the doggone part. Fam, we don't even need to have a conversation. Like, a conversation don't even need to be had. I mean, this young lady is clearly showing you that she don't want to be with you. She's clearly showing you that she want to be for the streets. She want to get back with, the father of her children, continue to get bussed down at 11 o'clock at night. He ain't coming over there at 11 to see no child, bro. I don't care what you say. He is not coming over there at 11 o'clock to see a kid. Children are supposed to be in the bed at that doggone time. So you telling me throughout the entire day, from that 8 o'clock in the morning all the way to 5 or 6, it wasn't no time that he could stop by and come through? Come on, man. Come on. You got this man. No, my bad. The PlayStation, his PlayStation was plugged up to the TV that man bought and even had clothes over it. Yeah, nah, we good. You and your money can get the hell up out of here. I'm good, fam. This is why I tell guys, especially men without children, don't complicate your life, fam. Go get with somebody that don't have children and y'all build together. Never subject yourself to this type of to this type of environment. Under no circumstance should you be doing this. Should you be setting yourself up like this? Because it's a setup at the end of the day. But I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think? Am I off? Y'all can drop it down in the comments and we can talk about it. I absolutely love when I see, people down in the comments that disagree with me, and hopefully it's not just based on feelings. Hopefully you got some type of facts, data, statistics, or whatever to back up what it is that you're trying to say, or, just state your point and let me know what's up. All right. Anyway, until the next time, y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.